Meaning of hesitantly.
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 Hesitantly. Hesitantly means to do something in an uncertain or tentative way, often due to lack of confidence or nervousness. When someone acts hesitantly, they may pause frequently, speak softly, or avoid eye contact. They may also exhibit physical signs of anxiety such as fidgeting or sweating. Hesitant behavior can result in missed opportunities or incomplete tasks, as the individual may not be fully committed or willing to take risks. However, it can also be a sign of thoughtfulness and caution, allowing for careful decision-making and avoidance of potential harm.